Hi, welcome back to everyone. See here in this problem. So this is a problem on op amp. So observe carefully here. So this is the op amp. So for this op amp, feedback resistance given as 10 kilo ohms and input resistance is 4 kilo ohms and two sources are there. So one is 3 volts, another is 1 volt. Now how can you find output voltage V0 for the given problem? So first of all, recall the properties of op amp. So here, whatever the input voltage at positive terminal, that is the voltage at inverted terminal. So let us assume there is a VA voltage at positive terminal. So at negative terminal also VA voltage is there. Like that, another property, that is current. So in 4 kilo ohms, that is input resistance. So whatever the current is there, that is the current in feedback resistance, that is I. Now we have the information. Here currents are equal and here voltages are equal. Now we can easily find output voltage by applying Ohm's law. So according to Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR, current means I equal to V by R. So first of all, in these two resistance, current is equal. So I am going to find current in two resistance by applying Ohm's law. So then equate it. So from that we will get V0 value. So let's see here. So first of all, find current in 4 kilo ohms. That is current I equal to, so voltage in 4 kilo ohms by resistance, that is 4 kilo ohms. So what is the voltage here? So across the voltage, there is a voltage is there, VA and 3 volts is there. Potential difference. So by applying potential difference, we will get 3 minus VA by 4 kilo ohms. It gives current I in 4 kilo ohms. Similarly, find current I in 10 kilo ohms by applying potential difference. So for this resistance, so one side VA is there, another side V0 is there. So current I equal to VA minus, directly apply potential difference, that is VA minus V0 by resistance, that is 10 kilo ohms. Here what is VA value? So VA nothing but from positive terminal 1 volt. So VA equal to 1 volt. Now substitute and equate equation 1 and equation 2. So that is 3 minus VA means 1 by 4 kilo ohms, that is equal to, because currents are equal. So VA means here 1 minus V0 by 10 kilo ohms. In this equation, only one variable is there, that is V0 value. So by solving this, we will get V0 value. So that is, so here 1 by K be outside, here also big B outside, K cancel and becomes 3 minus 1 nothing but 2. So 2 by 4 thus equal to, so 1 minus V0 by 10. So it becomes, so bring 10 to the left hand side. It becomes, so it becomes 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 10, that's equal to 1 minus V0. So from this we get 5 equal to 1 minus V0. So 5 minus 1 nothing but minus V0. So V0 equal to minus 4 volts. So this is the output voltage for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.